Now let's look at the male reproductive system. As you can see that the male reproductive system is something similar to what you have done in your lower secondary level. So let's go through it briefly once more. We have got the testes here. So the purpose of the testes is for sperm production. At the same time, it is also used for production of the male hormone called testosterone. So you notice that the testes is supported by the outer sac, which is called the scrotum, and this is outside of the body itself. Okay, so the reason why is because sperm development requires a lower temperature compared to the normal body temperature. So once sperm are produced in the testes itself, it has to mature. So in order for it to mature, it will then enter the epididymis that you see here. Okay, so the epididymis is the site of sperm maturation. So once the sperm has matured and it is to exit the body via ejaculation, it will go through this place which is called the vas deferens. So the vas deferens is like a sperm duct. So recall I mentioned in earlier topics, in biology, anything with a duct means it is a tract to transport some substances. So what are some of the ducts that you have gone through before? That will be your bile duct in your digestive system, and also your pancreatic duct in your digestive system as well. Okay, so coming back to here, the sperm will be transported via the sperm duct, and then it will gain nutrition over at the seminal vesicle, in which now the nutrition as well as the sperm, they are now known as the semen, S-E-M-E-N. Okay, so semen itself here that you see that I just highlighted. So the semen will then be produced out of the body via the urethral tract itself, through the organ called the penis, which contains the erectile tissue, to be ejaculated out. Okay, now in males, a recap, the urethra is also the site of urine production and release out of the body, a process which is called excretion that you would have done under the topic for excretory system, the kidneys itself. Okay, so which means to say that the semen and the urine, they are never released at the same time, because at any one point in time, only one can be transported out. Okay, so you can see that over here, the urethra itself is also connected to the bladder, which is used to contain urine that is produced from the kidneys. Okay, so we have got these parts that I went through: the vas deferens, urethra, epididymis, and the penis itself.